Hello, I'm Ifeanyi Emmanuel Ojukwu, and this is my client updates project. So, number one, show the client update page is CSS. So, this is the client updates. Let's check for the CSS validation, no errors. Now, let's check for the HTML validation, no errors. Okay. Oh, where's my screen? Okay, now um, okay, so show the code in the account controller. Point out the case statement that shows client updates. Case statement, account update, password change. Okay, so this is the account controller for the accounts. The case statement that shows client updates. This is it to update the user. This is the case statement, and case statement update password, and the case statement that takes you to the client updates page directly. Show the MVC architecture, how it plays out. Account model is used, and the admin and the client update views are called. Showing the account controller code, where the account model is used, and the admin and client update views. Okay. Yeah, so where is the main page, the admin page? This is the admin page. So this is where the client update is. So this is how I called it, how I sent it to the controller. This is the view, and I send it through the controller of the and it goes to the client update page, and so the client update page will drop. So then the client update page, the name, the value for this is the update user, the controller. So update user, and the controller for this is update password, which I already showed you, and the account model. This is where the codes are. So I think I need to show it here. The account code, show the function. Okay. Yeah, so this is the controller for update password based on client password and client ID. So I inserted the client ID here in hidden format. It's hidden. Yeah, so all I did was echo the client ID and use the if I set function, and this is the get all clients by ID, select all from clients. So there are two ways. You can either select it each column individual, each table, each file individually, like client first name, client last name, client emails, but I rather use the asterisk just to select all. This is the update password. This is the update account, and yes, what else? Show the model, show the function that accesses the update account, update password, and client. Yeah. So let me show it in the index too. The update password. So I got password based by client ID. Check for password. If it's empty, the password hash to verify if it's correct, and updating the password is going to hash it again, then checking if the update password is equals to 1. If it's returned, then this one is for the update user, just similar, very similar. So yeah, after updating user, I had to send a section too, because so it could update after it reloads with the header location. So show the server-side validation. Okay, server-side validation. Let's say this is empty. So that's done. So server-side validation done there. Let's say this one too is empty. Server-side validation and client-side validation. Okay, let's do the no validate and let's submit it. Please provide all fields. See what? Now let's check. Let me put it back. Now let's check for password. Let's see if it's going to work too. Password field can be empty. Okay, so let's check more client side. Okay, show that the account update process works. Show that the process. Okay, so let's say I didn't edit anything. Everything remains the same. They say you made no changes. Kindly update it. Same like this one. So this is the password. Let's see. Please change your password. So now let's change it and see how the process works. Let's say I just edited this one. User. Let's say I just said user 1. Admin user 1. See, admin your account, your update was successful. See, it's updated admin user 1. So now I'll just change it back to user. So I don't, yeah. So now let's check for the password. Now let's change the password to something else. Let's say the password is the same password, and I click update. It said please change your password. Oh, I already did that. Okay, so let me change the password. Let me just add something else. Okay, updated the password. Your password has been updated successfully. Now let's check if it worked. Let me log out and check if the new password worked. So automatically this is the new password is already in place automatically because I saved. Okay, see, it worked. Voila. So that you can log out and log in again after a password change. Yes, that's what I just did. And let me change the password back because I don't really remember that old password. Let me change it back. Okay, I think that is all for now. Thank you very much.